Open up your MTT. We're going to go ahead and do the Chapter 1 test review. Write the algebraic expression, the sum of the cube of a number and 12. So the sum means we're going to have an addition problem. Cube of a number would be x cubed, and the sum of that and 12, so it would be x cubed plus 12. 42 decreased by twice some number. So this is going to be 42 decreased by twice some number. 42 minus 2x. Write the verbal expression for this fraction. So we're going to do 6 times a number squared divided by 5. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and follow PEMDAS. So this is going to be 4 times parentheses, 3 cubed is 27, plus negative 5 times 2, all divided by 9 minus 7, and then we're going to add 11 to it. So we're going to go ahead and do 4 times 27 minus 10. That's going to all be over 2 plus 11. So we're going to do 4 times 17 divided by 2 plus 11. 2 goes into 4 one time. Sorry, 2 goes into 4 twice. So this is going to be 34 plus 11. So it's going to be 45. W is 4, so 4 squared plus 8 times 5 squared minus 2. So we're going to go ahead and do parentheses first. So 4 squared plus 8 times 25 minus 2. 4 squared plus 8 times 23. 16 plus 184 is going to give you 200. Find and name the property. Well, this is a 1, so that means n must equal 1. 1 times y gives us the value of y, and that is the multiplicative identity property. Okay, find x. So we're going to figure out that x plus 6 is going to have to equal 15, so that means, oops, this should actually be find n. So let's go ahead and clean that up and make it n. So n is going to be 9. So when we take 6 plus 9 and change it to 15, we are using the substitution property. Rewrite using distributive properties. So we're going to distribute. So it's going to be 2 times x plus 2 times 3y minus 2 times 2z. Okay, so we're going to have 2x plus 6y minus 4z. Simplify the expression. So the first thing we're going to do is rainbow. So we have 3 plus 30a plus 24an, and then we're going to put the addition of 9 and a. So an and na would be the same terms. So we're going to go ahead and combine those together. That's going to give us 33an plus 30a plus 3. So to rewrite it, it would be 30a plus 33an plus 3. Find the solution. So 2 times a half would give me 1. 1 plus a half does not give me 3. 2 times 3/4 is going to give us 6/4 plus, so 6/4 plus 2/4 would give us 8/4, and that's going to give us 2, not 3. So if we put a 1 in there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get 2 times 1 is 2 plus a half is 3, so that doesn't work. 5/4, so if we do 2 times 5/4 is going to give us 10/4 plus 2/4 is going to give us 12/4, which simplifies to 3. So you would show this work here, and you would do B is equal to 5/4. Okay, for the function, the first thing we're going to do is plug it in R everywhere we see an X. So it's going to be f of R is equal to -3 times R squared minus 2 times R plus 1. So f of R is equal to -3R squared minus 2R plus 1. Now we have to go ahead and multiply that whole value by 2. So we're going to have -6R squared minus 4R plus 2. Identify the independent and dependent variables. So we have years and we have newspapers sold. So the newspapers sold depends on the year. So the year is going to be our independent variable, and newspapers sold is going to be our dependent variable. Write a description of what the graph is displaying. So it's displaying that as years increase, sales decrease. Interpret the X and Y intercepts. Okay, so we're going to take a look at our X and Y intercepts. So there's not going to be an X-intercept. So the Y-intercept looks like it's going to be at about 4. So Y-intercept 0, 4, which means at the beginning of 1900 there were 4 million people. X-intercept is none. And interpret the ending behavior of the function. Okay, so the population is approaching about 13 million. So as the years increase, the population is increasing. Is increasing, and the end behavior is showing that about 13 million people are going to be the population after about the year 2050. And that's our chapter review.